Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to download skins in Uso. To do so, first of all let me show you a couple skins that I have and what is the difference between each skin. For example, let's go in the section in here in the skins, and then current skin, let's choose the default one which you will have as the default skin. So for example, let's go to a game, and that's how the game looks inside. That's how, for example, the maps looks from inside. The cursor looks kind of bad. For me, I don't like the cursor like that. The circles in the game itself are like the circles, the sliders are kind of not ugly, but really not comfortable to play it. So while you have such sliders and cursor, while you can have better ones. And also the ball, like you can see the sliders, this is this ball which is like kind of bad, and it's so big that hides almost the whole picture or the whole map. How can you replace this map? So for those who has already downloaded the skin, you can just click on also and then option, and then open current skin folder, and then drag a skin, and from here you can change it to whatever skin you want. For those who doesn't have any other skin, you can go and open your browser and then write also skin, as you can see, and from here you can download bunch of multiple options. You can like of skins, you can choose whatever skin you like, wherever you feel like it's good looking. For example, this one, as you can see. You can also search for a skin by looking for your streamer or your or the top players of the game. For example, there's a bunch of players in here. You can choose whatever you want and then click on update results, and from here you can find all the bitmaps, that all the skins that they have used in the past, and download them from here. And after doing so, for example, let's click on this one and then download, and we wait a couple seconds. It will not even take like 6 or 5 seconds, as you can see, and then just drag it inside the game, and voila, as you can see, the skin has changed, the cursor has changed, the map, the interface itself has changed. And now let's go inside the game and see what's different. As you can see, the bar has changed, the circles are pretty different, the sliders as well, they look pretty smooth. The game will be kind of better for you now. Everything looks very pretty and better for you to play the game, and now you don't have an excuse to be bad at the game. For me, I mean, yeah, I mean, let's keep it that way between us. Let's keep it a secret, even if we are bad through all these tutorials and through all these skins and pad that we are using, but we are still bad. Let's keep it a secret between us, guys. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.